So in this lecture, I want to focus on how you're going to do the listing once you have found the product which is worth selling. So for example, this product right here, the price is $46.99 on Amazon, and the same product right here is being sold for $59.95. Now we need to do the listing for this particular product. I don't recommend you copy the listing from this particular seller. We're going to make our own listing. And in this lecture, we're going to do this manually, and specifically once you are starting a business, you have 5-10 products, you should do everything manually as well. Obviously, I will cover the automation which can streamline the process of listing, streamline the process of fulfillment as well. But that one will require you to have a subscription for a paid tool. But if we need to do it manually, we can manage it because we are just starting a business here. So this one, obviously, you can always copy the picture from Amazon. So download these pictures inside your computer, and then I'm just gonna download this picture on a desktop right here. Right, this picture is downloaded. You should copy all the pictures which they have, but for the sake of this tutorial, I only copied one picture. Then the other tool that we're gonna need is completely free, ChatGPT. Everybody is familiar with it. What we're gonna do with the ChatGPT, that we're gonna make ChatGPT to rewrite these title and rewrite these description for us. So we're not copying the word to word exactly. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, we're gonna go inside our eBay, click on my eBay, click on selling, then click on create listing right here. Once you will click on create listing, the first thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna copy your title right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy the title from Amazon. I'm just simply copying that. Go to ChatGPT and then type rewrite this title. Forgive my spellings. So, and optimize for eBay. We're gonna do double dots, and then we're gonna copy the title from Amazon. Just simply run this one. Even though I have a ChatGPT Plus subscription, but this can be done without having a paid plan. A free ChatGPT will do it for you as well. So it have given me one right here, and it is asking me if I need 3 more variations. You don't need that. Just simply copy that one. It's going to be more than enough. Go back inside your eBay, paste your title right here, and then just click on search. Once you click on search, it will already give you some of the items which are similar, which are already been listed on a platform. I normally recommend you should create your own listing from the scratch rather than you should copy the template from someone. So what we're going to do, we're just going to simply click on continue without match, and then we're going to select the condition. It's going to be new, continue to listing, and then this obviously gonna open up. So the first thing we're gonna need to do is we're gonna upload the picture from the computer. So we're gonna upload that picture. Obviously you're gonna need to add more than one picture in this particular section. So all the pictures that you will see on Amazon, you're gonna need to copy those pictures, and then you're gonna bring those images right here. This is the title. EAN number you can type does not apply. The brand is trend. The color is obviously black, or you can choose multicolor. And then MPAN number does not apply. Obviously these things like material and everything, it really going to depend on the type of the product that you are listing. Normally, once you will add the title of the product, then most of the time eBay will give you the recommendation what you need to add there. But don't worry much about that one because it doesn't really matter much. So this one, expiry date, it doesn't have an expiry date. I'm going to leave all these sections empty. The next thing that we have is obviously our description. So for the description, what we need to do is we're gonna go into the description of this item. We're gonna copy the description of this item, and then we're gonna go back into ChatGPT, and then I'm gonna ask ChatGPT again to rewrite this for me and optimize SEO for eBay. And then double dot, I'm gonna paste all the description right here, and ChatGPT gonna do their magic and they're gonna rewrite the entire description. I'm gonna copy this one. You don't need to copy about this item. I'm gonna copy that one, go back in the description, and I'm gonna copy the entire description right here. I can obviously, make a little bit of arrangement right here. Right, this one right here and here. Okay, so this is the description has been added inside my eBay. Now obviously the listing format, you're always going to choose buy it now. You're never going to do the auction one. Always click on require immediate payment. Once the buyer, click on buy it now. Price of the item, if you see the price of the item is obviously $59.95, you're going to do the calculation and you're going to aim for £2 profit. So let's say that will come to $58.99. We're going to be a little bit cheaper than the other seller. Quantities start from, obviously once you're on a new account, start from 2 or 3. So I'm going to put 2 right here. VAT, obviously you don't need to have a VAT registration once you're just starting a business. And then allow offers. I normally don't allow offers, so I'm going to keep this off, this section right here. And then obviously we're not going to schedule this listing. Private listing, you can click that on. Private listing means once, you can read this one right here. This allows the buyers to remain anonymous once they bid or buy the item, which is completely fine. You can turn that on. Private listing doesn't mean that your listing will be hidden. Now we always do postage only. Make sure that you have eBay business account. So you should use your own postage. eBay won't opt you in for a simple delivery where they will provide you with their own shipping label. We don't need to buy a shipping label for this one, but we do need to mark the postage right here. Package size, I don't normally include the package size. In the service, obviously we are offering the faster delivery. So we're going to choose the service which is going to be the faster one. So this is going to be something which will take 1 to 2 working days. So I'm going to select Royal Mail 24, select Royal Mail 24, and in an additional service, you don't normally need to do that. So this is something that I'm going to delete. We don't need to do just a primary service. This one right here, the buyer pays 0 additional. So if we just check on offer free postage, then the postage will be free for this item. Now what we need to do, international postage, I don't do international postage. The other postage services, I don't do that. Return accepted, all of that, we're going to leave everything like the way you see on the screen. Dispatch time is going to be same working day right here. So dispatch time is the one once you receive the order, are you going to on Amazon same day and then place the order for a customer, or are you going to take a little bit of time in it? So if you're going to do on the same day, just simply click on same day. If you need a little bit of buffer time, then you can add 1 working day inside. This one done. Item disclosures, we don't need for these ones. Rest of everything is same. Now we're just going to click on list with a displayed fee, and then our item will be simply listed on our eBay store. This is how you're gonna do the listing. Obviously, you're gonna optimize the title and a description by using ChatGPT, and rest of the stuff you will be able to copy from Amazon and it will be simply fine.